Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can create a texture effect for your shapes and elements on Figma. So let us get started right away. Alright, so let me head over to that example design here, and if I zoom in a bit, guys, you will see that I already created a rectangle with a slight texture effect like this here. So let me start all over and show you each step of the process. Start by adding your shape to your canvas. To do that, click into the shape tool at the bottom and select your preferred shape, like rectangle. Well, let us go with an ellipse at this time. So select ellipse or use the shortcut O. After that, draw your ellipse with your left mouse. Let me stabilize it by pressing and holding left shift. There you go, that's your shape. So in the next step, change your color. I would recommend not sticking to white, because otherwise you won't see it in contrast to your background canvas. The texture effect. So click into the color icon here to the right under fill, and let me go with slight grayish color like that. You can go with any color you like, but I will go with a gray color like this. And after that, apply your texture effect. Let me close that window here. So to apply it, click into that plus icon next to effects, and after that, here in the menu to the left, switch from drop shadow by clicking into that drop down menu to texture here, just like that. And last but not least, customize your texture effect by, for example, left clicking into the size box here till you see that double-headed arrow. Left click and hold the left mouse, and after that simply move your mouse to the right or to the left to adjust the texture size. You may also do the same with the radius below. Left click into the box and move it here to the right, for example, or to the left to adjust your texture radius, just like that. So let me go 100%, and that's basically it. You can play around here with the size, for example, just like that. So if I leave it, for example, at texture 1, it will look like this. If we zoom in a bit, pretty nice, don't you agree? So that's how you add a texture effect to your elements on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.